welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make whole tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken. In the subcontinent, I have to say it has to be the top 3 dishes that you can possibly have. The great thing about tandoori chicken is that it's, you can say grilled. It's exquisite, it's wonderful, it's amazing. And when I had it, I was like, yes! So we are gonna find out how to make full tandoori chicken right now. Okay, you saw how to make that full tandoori chicken. There are no words to describe the greatness of this marvelous piece of food. So with that said, do like the video. It really helps us when you like the videos. Please like the video, it doesn't cost anything. It does help our channel to grow. So please like our video. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Comment below whether you are going to try this tandoori chicken out, whether you love tandoori chicken or not, whether you have tried something similar to this, and share this content to as many people as possible if I have not mentioned it already. And with that said, catch you in the next one.